Do you know that trading is a waiting business? Okay, so in trading, we have over 80% waiting period and only 20% execution period. All right, so join me as I show you how to execute properly and be profitable in your trading career. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video, guys, as we dive deep into Bitcoin market and other cryptos. Yesterday we made it clear to you guys that we are still gonna experience more drop on Bitcoin. Actually, we are here, and I can see eventually that Bitcoin dropped yesterday. And now what we are asking now is, have we actually reached our target? The answer is no. Okay, we've not reached our target yet, so there are still room for Bitcoin to drop. Now if we should take a look at this whole move here, which is very, very important to us because this is the current phase of the market. All right, so we can see clearly that the market actually has been giving us, I call this a 1, 2, and this is all 3 waves. So we are having a 4 wave here, 4th wave here, which is loading. Okay, and after this 4th wave is ended, you're going to see a 5th wave. And believe you me, this 5th wave will be short-lived. Okay, the 5th wave will be short-lived. I'm expecting it to tag this low, that is 39,061. all right, 39, you can call it 39,000 range. So once it tag this low, 39,061, then we're expecting a sharp bounce. Okay, we're expecting a sharp bounce, and that sharp bounce will be like a 3-wave up before next massive drop. Okay, before next massive drop. Why is that possible? Now, as I have established before, that this is a downtrend. You can see that Bitcoin has actually established downtrend even in 4 hours. You can see that here, that we have made a low, and also we made a pullback, we made a lower low. Okay, so on Bitcoin, that is what a trend has been established. Okay, and what tells us that it's either two things. If this is a corrective structure, okay, once it's ended, then we are coming up, or if it's a new trend, then it keep making what? Lower lows, and stuff like that. So which phase are we now? We are on the second, we are on exactly on the 3rd phase, because this is a 1 wave, is a 1st wave, the 2nd wave is the 3rd phase. Okay, so how deep this is gonna go, nobody knows exactly now. So, but what I'm looking at now in this case scenario is that maybe this is the 1st wave, the bigger structure. We're having a 2nd wave here. Then, if that's possible, then this 3rd wave will be very, very aggressive. Okay, that will be 3rd wave of the 3rd wave. All right, this will be 3rd wave of the 3rd wave. In case you don't understand what I'm saying, let me put a little label here so you can see exactly what I'm trying to establish. Now, if I should label this 1, 2, we have 3 here. Okay, we have 4 somewhere here, and there'll be 5 below it. Okay, let's assume this is what we're expecting. All right, so now we've seen that wave 1 is over and wave 2 is over. So we're in wave 3. Okay, and there's a characteristics of a wave structure that 3rd wave is always aggressive. Okay, I will show you that on different occasions now. 3rd wave is always what? Aggressive. And once it comes to 3rd wave, just leave it to him that it will be the highest wave. But now, before it starts loading, we have fractal nature of the markets. Okay, so if this is a 3rd wave we're expecting in 4 hours, that means if you go down to 1 hour, you will see the fractal nature. That is that 3rd wave. Now we are in the wave 1 of that 3rd wave, because this is a wave. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You can see how steep this one is. That's the 3rd wave of the 3rd wave here. All right, so we're expecting 3 wave here to complete. Then after that, we have the 5th wave. All right, so this would be wave 1 smaller structure. So after that, we're expecting this 2nd small wave 2 here. is to be smaller compared to this. Then after that, the main third wave will play out. Okay, and this third wave now will be, a very aggressive one. All right, and that third wave might even break this low if care is not taken. All right, and let's measure the target so we can be on a certain note of it. If you measure the target from here to here, you'll be expecting 35,178 range. Okay, at this point, 35,178 range. But most times, if it's not elongated or stretched, we will be expecting to take profit at 35,178. Then before then, we'll now have another pullback here, messy correction, and it drop one more, making it what? A fifth wave. Then from there, you can start giving us other correction as the case might be. All right, guys. So I wouldn't want to make it more complex than it is because it's already complex. So what we are focusing our attention now is the current market. What are we expecting here? I think there is a level of execution that will be happening today. All right, you can see that we have gotten this 3 wave up, 3 wave down, 3 wave up. Yeah, okay. So here now at the break of this, which actually has broken, we're expecting this market to drop one more. Okay, we're expecting it to drop here. All right, so in case you're interested in it, I think this is a nice setup for you guys to take it using any of the link below, either Bybit or Binance Futures. Can take it leverage and take a short position downwards here, and the target is $39,061. The percentage we're expecting is over 7% plus, okay, which is nice profit, okay, 7%. So that's what we're expecting, guys, okay, to play out between today, probably, or tomorrow. Before tomorrow, I think we'll be on a different phase, okay. So that's a trade for you guys today, as a drop is coming. All right, a drop is coming, and I think it's already set for it because this trend it's already broken. Okay, the trend is already broken, so let's bear that in mind as we take this trade. All right, so let me put a solid line there so you'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, you can see that this is already broken, so nothing stops this market from falling down straight to this point. Nothing stops it, and I'm expecting it to happen today. All right, okay, so that's just by the way. Then if you go down to other coins like ethereum, you see the same thing playing out. All of them are following suit. Okay, ethereum also is set to drop. It's set to drop here one more, and there we go. Okay, they are dropping one more. You go. These are all corrective structures, and most times they are complex structures. Okay, and the only way we're able to capture this is because we understand the structure of the market. All right, so ethereum is dropping one more before bouncing up again. Then you see every market is just following suit. If it I've gone through over 30 pairs in crypto space this morning and found out that all of them is the same structure, the same structure, the same structure. So no need repeating the same structure everywhere. So that's why we focus more on Bitcoin and all that. So if you take a look on some of these coins we gave you guys the other day, like CDT, you can see I told you guys yesterday that CDT is still correcting and there is a room for it to break, and you can see it's actually correcting. And if this market breaks here, there's a potential move, but eventually if it fails from here, then that means the whole structure is invalidated. So the best thing you can do here is to put a trend here. All right, put a trend here. Let's watch and see. If Bitcoin keep dropping, probably this might drop. Okay, making it 1, 2, 3 before coming up again. All right, so that's possibility in the market. Okay, because nothing goes up straight line again. So it might be that this move is over, but if you have taken the signal where we've given it out, there's no way you'll not be in profit by now. But still, I see this to be, I still see this whole setup, you know, this is A, B, C. This is how I'm seeing it, and I'm still believing that this is going up. It's going up, okay? So, but let's just be careful with it and see how it goes. That is CDT, is still going up, guys. Cardano, as we know, they are all following Bitcoin. They are all following Bitcoin. Anything Bitcoin does, the same follows suit. Now, looking at it here, it's still that corrective structure. In case this one is going, we have seen correction here. Okay, this is more of, this one can come up here before it drops. Okay, it's better off that way. I think the best way you can see this to be, this is 1, 2, 3, drop. All right, that is how it is. So one more drop is possible in all crypto this morning, and as we're expecting it, you just need to trade responsibly and protect your capital, guys, especially if you're taking the Binance futures or we are taking trade with margins, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, and don't forget to like this video. In case there is any potential coin you're observing that you want me to help you to analyze, don't hesitate to let us know. You know, look at this Solana. The last time I made it clear that it's coming down, although I think I didn't do a video on it. It was on a personal note I sent to somebody. It was like, should you buy Solana? I said no. Looking at the structure, it's already weak. It has been exhausted. You see, you should have bought here. All right, you should have bought here. Remember what I said? The market should have bought here. Market is waiting and execution, and the more you wait longer than you execute. So what actually are we looking at from here? Let's go to daily. On the daily, it's still looking bullish. Okay, this is just a pullback, but on the 4 hours, let's look at it here. On the 4 hours, this probably should come here. So we are looking at it this way. The market, I think, is already getting set for another move. Okay, it's already getting set for another move. So let's watch it and see what might be happening. Okay, maybe there might be one more drop, just one more drop. As Bitcoin is dropping, it can drop one more. So we're expecting, if it drops to this level, guys, that's 110. I think it should dive in. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is how it will play out. Okay, if we want to be very conservative, just wait for this line to break, guys. Wait for this line to break. All right, so this is what we're expecting. One more drop here, then it consolidates, come up, then from there it can go. So that is what you should be expecting on Solana, guys. Okay, I think I personally will take this trade as it's breaking from this trend. I will keep you guys posted on that, but I think it will look beautifully from that 110 upward. I think it will also give us a very good risk to reward and stuff like that. All right, guys, I'm here for you guys and to answer all your questions and to help you remain profitable in your trading career, especially in cryptocurrency markets. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video, guys. Thank you. See you next time.